The name of our company is Mountain Woodworks, and the name reflects just the area that we're from here in Potter County, mountains and the wilderness area that we have. It just was a fitting name for.
What different types of machines do you use, and how do they help with manufacturing the beam process?
Well, obviously we use a table saw. That's a big one. We use a lot of chop saws. That's for a lot of longer pieces. The one that I mainly work on is the planer and the joiner. And put it through.
What we're going to do is we're going to sand that out, okay? All right, now in the manufacturing process of this picture frame, we took this notch out. What you're going to do, note keeper, we're going to glue these two pieces together. Go. Yep.
What's so cool about manufacturing to you?
Just building something and you can say that I built that. You can be proud of something that you made.
I think it's cool to manufacture things locally.